Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are talking about verb tenses. We will break down the rules, provide you a plenty of examples, and offer practical tips to help or improve your grammar skills. So let's get started. The simple tense is used to describe habitual actions, journal truths, and routines. Let's begin with some important rules. To form present tense, use the base form of verb. However, there are few things to keep in mind to improve your grammar skills. Practice subject-verb agreement. Ensure that the verb agrees with the subject. For third person, singular subject like he, she, it, add s or es to the base form of the verb. For example, instead of saying he go to school, say he goes to school. Example 2. And instead of she eat pizza, say she eats pizza. Tip 2. Use of adverb of frequency. We talk about routines, how often something happens. Use adverb of frequency to enhance your sentence structure. Example 3. Instead of saying I watch TV, say I often watch TV or I usually watch TV. The past simple tense. The past simple tense is used to talk about complete action in the past. Let's move on some useful tips. For example, to form past simple tense, regular verb add ed to the base form. Irregular verb have specific past forms. Memorize irregular verb forms. Learning the irregular verb forms can be challenging, but it's essential for accurate grammar usage. Make flashcards or use mnemonics devices to help you memorize them. And instead of she bought a new book, say she bought a new book. Pay attention to single words. Single words often indicate the use of past simple tense. These words help you to identify the time frame of the action. For example, instead of saying I go to the party yesterday, say I went to the party yesterday. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to talk about action happen at the moment or a temporary situation. Let's use some practical tips for a better understanding. Present continuous tense. To form the present continuous tense, use the present tense of the verb to be, is, am, are, and the present participle form of the main verb, verb plus ing. Use the context. Consider the context of the sentence to determine whether to use present continuous tense. It's often used for actions in progress at the time of speaking. Instead of saying she writes a letter right now, say she is writing a letter right now. Be aware of time expressions. Pay attention to the time expressions that indicate the temporal nature of the action. Instead of saying they work at the office, say they are working at the office today. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used to talk about past actions with a connection to the present. Let's explore some practical steps to enhance your grammar skills. Present perfect tense. To form the present perfect tense, use the present tense of the verb to have, has, have, followed by the understanding the time frame. Tip 1. The past perfect tense refers to action that started in the past and have a connection to the present. Pay attention to the time frame of the action. Example 1. Instead of saying I ate breakfast, say I have eaten breakfast. Usually time expression effectively. Time expression like already, yet, so, recently can add clarity of your sentence in present perfect tense. For instance, instead of saying she finished her homework, say she has already finished her homework. Congratulations, you completed a comprehensive guide to future tenses, to verb tenses. Understanding using verb tenses correctly will enhance your ability to express yourself fluently in English. So keep practicing, stay curious. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy learning.